So my name is Joseph Maguire. I'm a lecturer in the School of Computing Science. I'm course coordinator for the Human-Centred Security course. The course was ran for a number of years, so it's been honed and designed around students preparing and participating. So a lot of the activities and any sort of problems with them have sort of been worked out over a number of years. So that was really beneficial in coming into this dedicated space. But more importantly, the university actually offered a number of support sessions before I started the class in the room. So there was a session based on, here's what the room's going to look like, this is the different tools and equipment available. And then they had another session based around, think of the different activities or different approaches to learning and teaching you might use in these spaces. That was followed with another session on how to use the audio and video equipment, and then a final session on where we actually got to interact with a lecturer and a group of students that have already used the space, so that was quite beneficial as well. Well, the first thing I would say is I wouldn't wait to be allocated one of these rooms. I wouldn't wait until you wake up one day, you receive an email saying you're in a TEAL space and then quickly searching for what is a TEAL space. I think staff can start to explore that right now, even if they're in a traditional lecture theatre or they give normal seminars, and they can look at potentially transitioning some of the activities and tasks. My own approach to try and support the students was to start off small, so having small icebreaker activities, just getting the students talking to each other and exploring the equipment by asking them to perform very familiar activities such as use the computer to perform a search and find something on this particular topic, or construct a very basic PowerPoint on where you came from or how you've arrived at university. Just gentle ice-breaking activities just so students could become more familiar with the environment itself. If you subscribe to an idea in the future that students are going to consume more content online, they're going to prepare in advance of sessions by watching lectures. If you think of, say, 7 different universities and 7 different lectures, there's no real distinction in them once you put them all up on a screen. And so when the real distinction comes when those students come to this university and come to this environment, it's the people they interact with and the activities they're asked to perform. And I feel as if these spaces should empower staff, hopefully, to achieve an approach to learning and teaching that is more distinct from other institutes.